Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've posted on this channel, but I've come back with amazing videos for you guys and hopefully they'll be useful for you. In this video, we're going to be learning how to secure your saree in place so that whatever you do, it doesn't budge. So let's get started. So the first hack is you want to, instead of tying a knot in your saree and putting it into your saree, like it creates a little bulge here and you don't want that. What you want to do is you want to just line your saree on the floor. It should just be touching. It shouldn't be dragging on the floor, it shouldn't be up like so you can see your feet. It should be just touching the floor. And then you just tuck like this and pin, and just take it and pin it on the inside like this. Ta-da! And now you have no bulging on the side and it's smooth like this. And you want to make sure that your saree is flat against your stomach. So make sure you put your hand in and you're just smoothing out the fabric like this. So then you always have this problem where your saree is just like sagging like this and it comes loose when you're at events. The trick for that is you're going to pull the material here, bring it around, and you're going to put a pin that is going to fit nicely over here, like so. And the material is never going to sag. Another tip for your pleats, like falling like this, they never stay in place. A trick for that is, what you can do is arrange your pleats nicely, how you want them to stay. And then you're going to just take a pin, go underneath this first pleat, and you're going to put a pin. And now you can dance the night away and nothing is going to come out of place. And that's 3 hacks on how to secure your saree. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was useful. Don't forget to, I haven't said this in a long time, leave a comment down below, like this video and share this video if possible. And I would love to hear any of the other suggestions you have for videos since I've started now. So yeah, thank you. Bye.